Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by setting essential information so the app recognizes you and serves relevant content. Fill name, photo, 3 interests, and a short bio. This helps matching. Once done, set privacy. Limit visible fields and enable 2-factor authentication for safety. Next, join at least 3 relevant groups or invite 3 trusted contacts to build initial connections. These first steps get the algorithm working for you and create immediate conversation opportunities. Once you've joined groups, focus on meaningful engagement. Use filters, age, location, interests, and distance in miles to surface relevant members and events. When messaging, write 2 to 3 sentence openers, ask a single clear question, and plan to follow up within 24 hours to keep momentum. Customize your feed by muting specific keywords, saving 5 favorite posts for reference, and reducing notification frequency to only essentials. This keeps your experience focused and prevents to finish setup and maintain momentum. Confirm connections by following 10 profiles and managing pending invites promptly. Complete actionable items. RSVP to events you plan to attend and set 1 weekly reminder to check the app for messages and updates. If something goes wrong, like missing messages or sync issues, clear the app cache, ensure you're on the latest version, and restart the device. If problems persist, contact support with a screenshot and describe the steps you took so they can diagnose quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.